Meaning of habitually.
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 Habitually. Habitually means the tendency to do something regularly or repeatedly, often without conscious thought or decision-making. This kind of behavior often becomes automatic and ingrained in a person's routine. Habitual actions may be positive or negative, and they can have long-lasting effects on an individual's life. For example, someone who habitually exercises will likely enjoy good physical health, while someone who habitually smokes will likely experience negative health consequences. Habits are formed through repetition over time, and breaking or changing them requires conscious effort and commitment.